जागतिक योग दिनानिमित्त राज्य सरकारतर्फे मंगळवारी ताळगाव येथील श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जी इंडोर स्टेडियमवर विशेष कार्यक्रमाचे आयोजन करण्यात आले अशी माहिती आरोग्य सचिव गीता काकोडकर यांनी दिली आहे। नागरिकांनी या कार्यक्रमाला मोठ्या संख्येने उपस्थित राहावं असं आवाहनही त्यांनी केलंय।
Every year this day is celebrated as the International Day of Yoga. This year the theme for the year is Yoga for Humanity. It focuses on the importance of yoga in our lives to create personal, social and environmental well-being. Today the Department of Ayush, I represent the Department of Ayush, Directorate of Health Services. We have the Director of Sports and Youth Affairs, we have the Director of Education, and we have our Deputy Director Ayush here. And this year we have collaborated to see that this program is a huge success. This year the International Yoga Day also coincides with the 75 years of independence, that is Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. So all over India and also in Goa, we have planned to celebrate this day in several ways at 75 or more locations and certain iconic locations. In this regard, I would like to say that the state level function will be organized by the Ayush Cell, Directorate of Health Services, in collaboration with the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs and Directorate of Education. It will be held tomorrow at Dr. Shamaprasad Mukherjee Indoor Stadium, and the function will start at 6:30 a.m. The function will be presided over by the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, and also the Honorable Minister for State, Government of India, Sripad Naik, will also be present for this function. We expect that the staff of DHS, Directorate of Health Services, and more than 400 students from the neighboring schools will participate along with their teachers, instructors and other dignitaries. Besides this, 11 taluka level functions will be conducted by the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs in collaboration with the Directorate of Education. These 11 talukas are: Pedne will be celebrated in St. Joseph's High School, Pedne; Bicholi in Sakri Multipurpose Indoor Stadium; in Satari, in Bardes, Pede Mapsa; in Ponda Indoor Stadium; in Salset, Parikar Indoor Stadium; in Marmagua, Chikali Sports Complex; in Kepe, Kurchore Sports Complex; in Kankon, in Panchayat Hall; in Sange, in Sports Complex; and Dhar Bandoda also in the higher secondary. It will be celebrated. All the MLAs have been invited and will be present for the function.